how to find sharing your posts on stories settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find sharing your posts on stories settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and go down until you find settings, and here just click profile and tagging, and here you will find this one. Click on it, and now just click here. You can manage it, you can turn it off or turn it on again just by one click. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.